Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, there in the osteoarthritis contains a grading, which we call it as Womack's grading of osteoarthritis. According to the Womack grading of osteoarthritis, there are four stages. Stage 1. In stage 1, there is actually softening of the cartilage is seen if the surface of the knee. On the surface of the knee, you see softening of cartilage is seen on the surface of the knee. And this stage 1, because there is softening of the joints is seen, so this stage 1 may not be seen on the x-ray. It is not seen on x-ray. Then we have stage 2. In stage 2, we see that the cartilage which is seen in the stage 1 starts to wear away. Now, because the cartilage will start to wear away, now in the x-ray, in the stage 2, on x-ray in the stage 2, we can find that there is narrowed joint space is seen on the x-ray. Then we have stage 3. According to stage 3, in stage 3 there is osteophytes are seen. And one important thing is in stage 2 and 3 are merged with each other and they are difficult to separate. Okay, because of this they merge with each other, so they are difficult to separate. Then we have stage 4. Then in Womack grading we have stage 4. Okay, in stage 4, this is actually bone on bone appearance, because here in stage 4 there is very narrow joint space. So it looks as though one bone is present over the other bone with lots of osteophytes are present, and there is distortion of the joint space is also seen in the stage 4. It is bone on bone appearance. So because actually there is very narrow joint space and these are osteophytes, because of lots of osteophytes it looks as though one bone is present over the other. Whereas in stage 2 you see that there is cartilage is worn away and as a result there is reduced joint space is seen. So most of the cases these both look together, stage 2 and stage 3.
thank you and thank you for watching.